Hey, who's gonna be there? Who is Enrique? Who is Enrique? Tell me. I don't know nothing. Tomorrow you must be home. Or otherwise, I'm going to tell your father. Сонда көреміз. Okay, mom, there's nothing to worry about. It's just a trip to Puerto Rico. Me, Enrique, and another guy whose name I don't remember will be there. But it's going to be fun. Come on, mom. It's nothing to worry about. Where? Puerto Rico. Good. Who's gonna be there? Enrique. Good. Who's Enrique? Good. Aman жүрді. Қатираш. Almas is going to Puerto Rico. Did you know that Қатирash's son is going to Puerto Rico? And you are playing computer game. Mom, just let me be. I hate fucking Almas. Come on, mom.